khi tân thủ đặt giá sàn
You got your time, you got your time, you got your
khi tân thủ đặt giá sàn
You're listening to Radio Time. Radio Time.
Hello, you're listening to Radio Kai. We are playing the best music from the 60s from to today.
This week's music highlights includes artists such as Bob Marley, Sophie Ellis-Bextor and Queen and a lot more music to come. And we also got our usual features such as a mystery voice where we play out 5 different voices and you have to guess them. We got celebrity birthdays. We say Oshan says birthdays. And we also got guess a year where you have to guess what happened during a year we say. And we also got transport this week. And unfortunately Ethan's not here with the transport this week. And we also got news and sport with Ethan and Max. And also we have our interview as well. This week we are interviewing a new member of staff here in Kybe. His name is Mr. Griffiths. Also, some children here in Kybe have been starting to calling him Mr. Griffin. But you can hear say Mr. Griffiths or Mr. Griffin.
Well, let's start off with 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley.
This morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing.
That was Bob Marley with 3 Little Birds. Now we got Mickey Reed's voice.
Okay, so this is a feature where we play out 5 different voices and you have to guess them.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's voice number 1 for this week.
Well, no, not really. I had a great faith in New York. Primarily, our purchases have been in New York, and about 5 years ago, New York was not considered very hot, and cities in general weren't considered too hot.
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
How do we choose what made the cut? I think after time, I was in a kind of a weird place, so the music I was making was kind of reflecting that.
Voice number 3 for this week.
Things to it that I felt worked for me, and then somebody says, put the stuff out. You know?
Here's our fourth voice for this week.
You don't realise how much it changes your life until you finish the show, and then it just goes on a completely different level, because you don't realise when you're on the X Factor how big the show is, and then when you come off it you're like, oh.
And here's our fifth and final voice for this week.
Yeah, well, not new but unheard. Yeah, there's 3 tracks that we managed to find in the vaults that have been there, and I've been, in the past, I've told them that they're there and they haven't been found, but I think they're systematically going through all their old stuff, and this time when we compiled, they found these songs.
I hope you got all the answers correctly. Now, Murder on the Dance Floor by Sophie Ellis-Bextor, as requested by Cian Jones and Canal Die. That was Murder on the Dance Floor, Sophie Ellis Bextor. Now we got the birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
King Charles is 75, the king. He has authored cover 17 books. King Charles became king upon his mother's death, Queen Elizabeth II, in 2020 at the age of 73. He was the oldest person to accede to the British throne. Secondly, Leonardo DiCaprio is 49 and he is a movie actor for The Wolf of the Wall Street and the film Romeo and Juliet and the film Titanic film. Thirdly, Neil Young is 78 and he is a folk singer, is a legendary folk singer responsible for songs including Old Man and Heart of Gold and Harvest Moon and Lamb Alabama. Apart from his solo career, he was a member of the band Buffalo Springfield and Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young. All the birthdays I got for this week. The next song is Oh Caroline by Shaggy.
Them.
That was Oh Caroline by Shaggy. Now we got the Rampart.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Okay, so unfortunately today Ethan's not here with the transport because he doesn't want to feel like doing it this week. So I'll be sitting in for him, so hope you enjoy. And today's transport, we are going from Canva PG to Lisbon, which is in Portugal. So, you'll need a train from Canva PG to Chester via Birmingham International. And then in Chester, you'll have to wait 15 minutes for a train to get to Manchester Airport. And then you'll need to pay £40 to get a 2-hour flight and 50 minutes flight from Manchester Airport. And then you are in Lisbon. And once you are in Lisbon, you'll need to pay £117 to get a hotel room in Hotel Mundial. Or if you want to pay a bit cheaper, you can go to the Mercure Lisboa Hotel, which has a free rooftop pool and free Wi-Fi. Or you can even stay in the Lisbon Marriott Hotel, which costs £126, with polished lodging, with dining and a pool. And those are the three hotel options you can stay in. So Oshan, we hope you enjoy your time in Lisbon in Portugal. And now our next song here now on Radio Tribe is We Will Rock You by Queen.
Make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Everybody, we will rock you. We will rock you. All right.
That was We Will Rock You by Queen. Now on to Guess the Year, where we had 5 facts about a year and then you had to guess what the year is.
Guess the Year.
Developer Woody. Okay, so first of all this year, Microsoft released Windows XP to the public on the 25th of October this year.
Was the year that Apple also released the iPod.
Also in this year, there is Solar Eclipse.
It was also the year the first Harry Potter movie was released, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, or America, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone.
Also, the biggest hit of this year was Family Affair by Mary J. Blige.
I hope you got the answer right. Now we got Bad Love by Taylor Swift.
'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Hey! Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut, and baby, now we got bad blood. got scars on my back from your knife. So don't think it's in the past. These kind of wounds, they last and they last now. Did you think it all through? All these things will catch up to you, and time can heal, but this won't. So if you're coming my way, just don't. Oh, it's so sad to think about the good times, you and I. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Hey! Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut, and baby, now we got bad blood. Hey! Band-aids don't fix bullet holes. You say sorry just for show. If you live like that, you live with ghosts. Band-aids don't fix bullet holes. You say sorry just for show. If you live like that, you live with ghosts. If you love like that, blood run. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be bad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut, and baby, now we got bad blood. 'Cause now we got bad blood. You know it used to be bad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut, and baby, now we got bad blood. Hey!
Bad Blood by Taylor Swift. Now we've got news around the school.
News from around the school.
First, Children in Need Day on Friday, the 15th. Carla has got a new house. There is rugby on Wednesday. It's free, no payable. And it's 3:15 until 4:15 on Wednesday. I am going to Kickhouse with Max on Friday. I am going with Dion Dolan and Sion to Standing Stones on my birthday on Sunday the 17th for lunch. So we got news around the school this week. The next one is Jackie Wilson Said by Dexter's Midnight Runners.
Jackie Wilson said, "That was great, you see. I kinda love you, but it must be about feet. Let it all calm down. Oh, let it all calm down. Let it all. I'm so worn up, don't need no tea. My cup, let it all calm down.
Okay, so we just had Dexy's Midnight Runners there with Jackie Wilson Said here on Radio Kybe. And now we are moving on to our Guess a Year answer. And this year was 2001.
The voice was Donald Trump, Justin Bieber, Lulu, Ollie Murs, Paul Young.
And our next song is This Love by Bob Marley.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room, yeah. But you provide the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know now. I've got to know now. I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on your table. I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter, yeah. Oh yeah, of my single bed. We'll share the same room, yeah. Oh, Jah provide the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, oh yes I know, yes I know, yes I know now. Oh yes I know, yes I know, yes I know now. I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on your table. See, I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room, yeah. Jah provide the bread. We'll share the shelter.
Okay, so we just had Bob Marley there with Is This Love. Now we got Max and Ethan with news and sports from around the world.
News around the world.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. Starting off, Mount Fuji has now got snow again. It's the first time that Mount Fuji's always got snow since the longest time it had without snow, which should be obvious. Next up, Ireland has an upcoming general election. Who gets to know who gets to vote on the November 29th? And also, in America, Trump's border czar, Tom Homan, has returned to his previous job. Oh dear, I know what's coming.
Thank you, Ethan, for the news around the world. Now we've got Max and Peter with the sports updates.
No, I'm Peter and
Max.
We here the source new.
Man United are new manager. Or Man U have paid old manager be sacked.
The wall, how goes the wall, the big disaster to deal on this Saturday.
We are playing Turkey and Iceland in week. I beat in Turkey. Yes, it's
England are the great. Come on, you're England.
Come on, Ireland.
In rugby, Wales lost 3-3 on Sunday. And Wales playing Australia on this Sunday.
That's it, the start news. It says the guys have me, can you hear?
Bye-bye, home from Max.
The next song
Celsia
by OC.
Bellas in the back, sweet singers in the front, cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly red blue lights flash us from behind. Loud voice booming, please step out onto the line. Ballet bridge words of comfort, Cena just hides her eyes. Policeman taps the shades, is that a Chevy 69? How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre. Destination unknown as we're pulling for some gas. Officially placed a poster, reveals a smile from the pack. Elephants and acrobats, lion, snakes, monkey. Billy speaks righteous, Sister Cena says funky. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh baby, it's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around, every time I look around,
every time I look around,
every time I look around, it's in my face.
Ringmaster stiffs up, says the elephants left town. People jump and jive and the clowns are stuck around. TV news and cameras, there's choppers in the sky. Marines, police, reporters ask where, for and why. Bella yells, we're out of here. Cena says right on. Making moves and starting grooves before they knew we were gone. Jumped into the Chevy, headed for big lights. Wanna know the rest? Hey, by the rights. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh baby, it's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around, every time I look around,
every time I look around,
every time I look around, it's in my face. It's in my face.
time I look around.
Every time I look around, it's in my face. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. It's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around. Every time I look around, it's in my face.
Okay, so we just got How Bizarre there by OMC. Now we are moving on to our interview this week.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
This week we're interviewing Mr. Griffiths, who works in Kegs, Tree and Canaldine. Hello, Mr. Griffiths. How are you today?
I'm really good and happy to be here.
Hello.
Our first question we got here this week is, which football team do you support and why?
I support Man City, and I support them because they always win and have lots of money. But if I was honest, a team that I love is Liverpool because of the connection with North Wales, and I like the fans, and they always do well in Europe, so I like to watch Liverpool. I'll tell you which team I hate. Any guesses?
Man United.
Man United, yeah. And
That's our football team, yeah, mate.
Yeah.
well, I want to get a message out to Jack McGreary, and if he wears that Man United shirt again when I'm in class, I'm going to throw up.
Oh.
I'll be sick.
Which laugh is your favourite in Cave?
Oh, I don't have a favourite class at all, but I do think I'm best suited to older pupils like your class and Canaldine. I would say if Caib was one big class, then it would be my favourite class that I've ever taught in any school.
We've heard that you got your own business. Tell me more about it.
Okay, so my business is called Youth Empowerment Mentoring, or YEM for short, and I help young people with their mental strength so that they can handle tough times when they come up. I help them feel confident about themselves so that they can feel good about who they are and what they do, and help them become motivated, so help them to achieve their goals and their aspirations about what they want for the future. Yeah.
What do you do?
So that means that I could work with people one-to-one, I could work with them in groups, I sometimes go into schools, into sports clubs. It depends really, I could work with anybody in any way, sometimes online, sometimes face-to-face, it depends. But anybody who needs support with confidence, resilience and motivation, then they can come to me and I can help them.
Our fourth question here is, what is your first album that you ever bought?
It's been years since I've bought a music album since we've had Spotify, but me and my wife often put John Mayer, Where the Light Is, live in Los Angeles, in the background of the house when we're doing things on the weekend, chores and things.
Yeah.
It's an album that plays live, so you can always hear the audience in the background, and it's nice just to hear it in the house and have a distraction away from the bedlam that goes on, because we've got a 3.5-year-old and a 1.5-year-old, two kids. So when we get the time to relax and do something, we often put that album on. It's either that or Despicable Me soundtrack, because that's Artie's favourite.
What is your favourite food and drink?
This one's very short. Pizza. Pizza and pizza. And after that...
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay? There's a takeaway place in Holyhead, La Gondola.
Yeah.
That is amazing. I'm always craving a La Gondola. So every now and then, when I have a takeaway, that's my number one. And I like to have a big pizza with lots of toppings. But my favourite drink is a milkshake. But not just any milkshake, ice cream milkshake.
What do you like on your pizza?
What do I like on my pizza? Well, ham, pepperoni, olives, and you know, sometimes if we buy a pizza from the shop, I do something that I shouldn't do, but I grate more cheese on top of the pizza as well.
Same here.
Yeah. And I like pizzas with stuffed crust as well. So, no, anything really. I won't have pineapple or mushroom on a pizza though.
Pineapple does belong on a pizza.
It does.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Do you enjoy your time at CAIB?
I'm loving being here. I think meeting you and the other pupils couldn't come at a better time for me. When I wake up in the morning, I love the idea of coming here. Don't mind coming to work at all at the minute. And I go home with funny stories every day. So there's always something new and there's always great people to work with as well. So yeah, I'm loving it here.
Our seventh question today is, where did you work before CAIB?
So I worked at Ysgol Uwchradd Caergybi for, I think, between 8 and 10 years. I never know. And it was a busy job, so I never felt that I could really help pupils as much as I wanted to. So that's why I left and started my business, so I could help people properly.
What do you like to do outside of work and why?
I like to spend time with my family. I have Artur, who's 3.5, and George, who's 1.5, and my wife. So it's important to spend time together when we can. I love food, anything related to food. So if we go out, I often try to fit breakfast somewhere, or lunch somewhere, or dinner somewhere. The gym.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with the gym at the minute. So I try to go to the gym 4 times a week. And I could spend hours there, but I can't, because somebody at home wants me back to look after the kids.
Why you don't do gym with us on Monday?
Well, to be honest, next Monday I think I will, because the Mondays we've been, I haven't come in the right clothing, have I?
No.
So I've been wearing my work clothes. So why don't next Monday I come in my proper gym gear?
Yeah.
And we'll get on the bench press.
Why do you like eating lots of yogurts, and which one is your favourite?
The yogurt is... I can't believe you noticed the yogurt. So the yogurt I have every day because it's related to the gym. Apparently, it's high in protein. Or so I've been told. So I eat yogurt and fruit every break time. But obviously I really love it. And on a Sunday I prepare all my snacks and lunches for the whole week. And yogurt's a big part of that. So I probably, do you know, interesting fact for you, you know in Aldi?
Yeah.
There's the big pots of yogurt, the big blue pots.
Yeah.
We have 4 of them a week.
Wow.
Goodness me. Do you like F1?
Formula 1? I do for the first 3 laps and the last 3 laps.
Yeah.
Everything in between is a little bit boring.
Yes.
Do you have a favourite F1 driver?
I wouldn't say that I do. I think that Formula 1 drivers can all be a little bit, I don't know, divas. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They've all got big personalities, but not always in the best way. If I was going to choose one, I think, is it Daniel Ricciardo?
Yeah.
Is he one?
Yeah.
The Australian?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's funny. I see him on social media sometimes. But I actually have a lot of respect for Formula 1 drivers. They're all top athletes. And to be able to go through what they go through, every race and practice is quite intense. So I do like the sport from that perspective.
Why do you like going to the gym?
I like going to the gym because I have time by myself. I put my headphones on and I like to keep myself relatively fit and in shape. And it's really, really, really good for your mental health. It means that you can track your progress and have a little bit of competition with yourself. And to be honest, sometimes I like to have a chat with people there as well.
What do you like doing at the gym?
Well, everybody that goes to the gym has their own routine. So I go 4 times a week, and on one day I work a certain muscle, and then another day another muscle, and so on. But I am quite chatty, like I said, so sometimes I go there and I ask people questions about what they're doing. I think I'm probably a bit of a nuisance to some people, but I do like to know and learn about those things. So yeah, I go to the gym to work out and talk.
That is healthy, doing work in the gym.
Yeah, it is.
What song do you want to end with?
Which song? I feel like there's always pressure when you're made to choose a song. I'm going to choose a song that's stuck in my head because my son, Artir, loves this song and he plays it. He now knows how to put it on, what's the robot's name?
Alexa, that's it. So Artir now knows how to switch Alexa on and request songs for himself, which is a nightmare. So I'm going to request You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch, because it's his favourite film at the minute and I love it too, if I'm honest. It's the opening scene to the film and it's great. I think that song is a bit too early because Christmas isn't until December.
Well, it is your podcast.
Yeah.
And you are the boss.
Yeah.
But I don't have another request. So mid-November is okay-ish, no?
I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll let you off this time.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Griffiths, for interviewing us today.
It's been a pleasure, and you are doing a fantastic job. You're excellent hosts.
Thank you. So we are going to end off today's radio show with You're the Mean One, Mr. Grinch, even though it's a bit too early. So we will see you next week for another edition of Radio Caribe. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Goodbye.
You're a mean one. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel. Mr. Grinch, you're a bad banana.
Mr. Grinch.
With the greasy black peel. You're a vile one. You got termites in your smile. You have all the bitter sweetness of a seasick crocodile.
Mr. Grinch, you're a foul one. Friends you don't have none.
I wouldn't touch you with a 39 and a half foot pole. You're a monster. Your heart's an empty hole.
You got garlic in your soul.
You got garlic in your soul. All them smiles, homie, I turn up frowns. All them decorations, I tear them down. You can ask Max, I don't play around. Ayo. Who is this mean fellow with his skin all green and his teeth all yellow? What you so mad for? Halloween come around and we ain't knocking at your door, man.
Mr. Grinch, you're a bad banana. Don't spoil everybody with your bad. Mr. Grinch.
Who is this mean fellow with his skin all green and his teeth all yellow? What you so mad for? Halloween come around and we ain't knocking at your door.
Bad banana.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caribe, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Café Canto, Radio Caribe.
Radio Caribe, Radio Caribe.
Café Canto, Radio Caribe.
You're listening to Radio Caribe, Radio Caribe.